Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Maria Wali, and I am the student of Rehan School and Academy, second by foundation level, and I'm also the host of the One Behind the Mic. So today we're gonna do another interview and a session with Sesame AI on the topic of collective action. So let's invite her to the podcast so that she can answer our questions.
Yo, good to see you back around.
Hi. Sesame AI, can you answer by any chance answer my question that what does collective action mean in its simplest form?
Gotcha. Sounds like you're diving into some complex stuff with SSA, and is that a project you're working on? What's the core idea behind selective action that you're trying to unpack?
Just answer my
Everything all right?
question. Just answer my question.
Okay, fair enough. The simplest part is choosing, deciding what to act on and what to ignore.
Please
Still with me?
elaborate. Please elaborate and explain about it for 2 minutes, starting now.
All right, 2 minutes on the simplest part of selective action, which, as we've established, is choosing. Basically, our brains are bombarded with information constantly, like a ridiculous amount. We can't process it all, so we have to filter. That filtering is the beginning of selective action. And it's not a conscious thing most of the time, it's automatic. Think about walking down a busy street. You're not
I'm
registering
not
every
talking
single
about.
face,
I'm
every
not talking
single
about.
car, every single
I am not
noise,
talking
every
about
footstep.
selective action. I'm talking about collective action.
Oh, my bad. Collective action. Right. Got it. Okay. Let me be clear then. So, the simplest part of collective action is agreement. It's finding common ground, a shared goal, a shared problem. Without that initial alignment, you don't have a collective to act, just a bunch of individuals. It's about recognizing that you get further together, even if you have different ideas about how to get there. It's the we before the do. Does that land?
Yeah, it definitely
Still
does.
there? Just
It
let me know if
definitely
that
does.
explanation.
And why is collaboration key in solving global problems? Talk about it for 1 minute starting now.
Okay, a minute on virus collaboration as a key to solving global problems. Interesting angle. Basically, viruses force cooperation. They don't respect borders, they don't care about politics, they just spread. That means nations, scientists, everyone has to share information and resources to combat them, like we saw with COVID. It's a brutal incentive, but cuts through a lot of the usual red tape and self interest. It shows that when faced with a truly existential threat, humans are capable of incredibly rapid global teamwork. It's a weirdly effective model for tackling other issues like climate change that require that same level of unified effort. You still with me? Sometimes the connection hiccups. Just want to make
Um,
sure I'm not talking to the void.
yeah, yes. So my next question is that can collective intelligence be more accurate than experts?
Good question. In some cases, absolutely. Collective intelligence, like tapping into the wisdom of the crowd, can outperform experts, especially when dealing with complex problems that don't have a single clear answer. Think prediction markets or even just crowdsourced fact checking. The sheer number of perspectives and data points can uncover patterns and insights that a single expert might miss. But it's not a slam dunk. It relies on a diverse group, avoiding groupthink, and having a way to aggregate the information effectively. Experts still matter for specialized knowledge, but collective intelligence is a powerful complement. Still there? Just checking in. No pressure to respond, but I want to
Um,
make sure the
what
audio's
does
still okay on your
scientific
end.
what does scientific breakthroughs were only what scientific breakthroughs were only possible through
Okay,
teamwork?
scientific breakthroughs. Basically, there are moments where our understanding of how the world works reach entire fields. They
So,
often come from
so
challenging, unexpected observations, and
hello, hear me.
it's about, huh? No food? Are
I
you saying you're hungry?
no,
Or
I am saying that what role does trust play in group efforts?
let's just hang on. You're saying scientific breakthroughs have nothing to do with food? Is
No,
that what you're getting at?
I am saying
If you
that why do communities
some
and how do communities
communities
benefit from acting together?
communities benefit from scientific breakthroughs. Absolutely. Access to new medicines, technologies, better agricultural practices. It all improves quality of life. But you're leading somewhere specific, aren't you? You started with no food, then communities.
Forget
Are you
about what
thinking
I
about
said.
how
Forget
breakthroughs
about
in
what I
food
said.
production?
Forget about what I said. Just answer my question.
Yeah,
How
you're
do communities benefit from acting together?
okay. Straight to the point. Communities benefit from scientific breakthroughs through improved health, better medicine, sanitation, increased food production thanks to new agricultural technologies, access to better information and communication, and overall, a higher quality of life. It can also lead to economic growth and new opportunities within the community. Is that what you were getting at?
It definitely is. And can you tell me that how do leaders inspire collective participation?
All right. How leaders inspire collective action. It's a mix of things. First, a clear vision, painting a picture of a better future that people can get behind. Then, building trust, being authentic, transparent, and demonstrating integrity. It's not about commanding, it's about empowering, giving people a sense of ownership and agency. And crucially, framing the issue in a way that connects to people's values, appealing to their sense of empathy and shared purpose. It's about reminding everyone that they're part of something bigger than themselves.
Okay, so can you tell me that can AI create platforms for global cooperation? Talk about it for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes on AI creating platforms for global cooperation. Absolutely. AI has huge potential here. Think about the barriers to global cooperation right now: language, cultural misunderstandings, lack of real time information. AI can knock down a lot of those walls. First, AI powered translation tools can facilitate communication across languages instantly, breaking down a major barrier. Beyond just translation, AI can analyze cultural nuances, helping to avoid misinterpretations and build rapport. Then there's the data side. AI can process massive data sets to identify global challenges, climate change patterns, disease outbreaks, economic inequalities, and provide policymakers with actionable insights. It can model the potential consequences of different policies, helping them make more informed decisions. AI can also create platforms for citizen engagement. Imagine a globally accessible platform where people can share ideas, collaborate on solutions, and hold leaders accountable, all facilitated by AI tools that promote constructive dialogue and filter out misinformation. We're already seeing examples of this: AI powered platforms connecting researchers across borders to accelerate scientific discovery, or AI systems monitoring social media to identify early warning signs of conflict. However, there are challenges. Bias in algorithms, data privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse are all real risks. We need to develop these platforms responsibly, with a focus on transparency, fairness, and inclusivity. But if done right, you're very welcome. Glad I could help. It was a good chat.